Hello students. Today's topic is internet. How to browse internet. Or you can say browsing internet. For that first you need to know what is internet. Millions of computers around the world are connected to each other to share information through internet. Internet stands for International Network. It has many features, but it is generally used as a means to communicate and search endless amount of information from unlimited number of sources. It is like a huge library that offers various types of information. Computers have emerged as the most effective communication tool due to the advent of internet. The internet enables us to exchange ideas and share information with a large number of people in real time. Communication process has become easier and faster with the help of computer network. A computer network means two or more computers connected together with special cables or devices to share information. Now coming to the uses of internet. What are the uses of internet? Internet provides information or news on any topic. Internet allows us to send and receive messages, text, images, sounds, videos, anytime and anywhere. We can have video as well as text chat with our friends using internet. We can buy and sell new and old goods. We can buy airline tickets, railway tickets or movie tickets online. We can perform banking operations. We can check our exam results, and believe me, there are lots of uses of internet nowadays in our lives. In short, we can say that purpose of internet is to make our lives easier. Basic requirements, what we need to connect to the internet. To connect to the internet, we need the following hardware and software. Like we need modem, we need an internet connection, we need a telephone line, and we need a web browser. After getting connected to the internet, you need to know some of the internet terms. The first term which you need to know is a website. What is a website? The information available on the internet is contained in the websites and on the web page as a book contains a number of pages. Similarly, a website is a collection of related web pages linked to one another. Web page. Information is put on the internet in the form of digital page called web page. These pages may contain text, graphics, video, audio, and links to other pages. Now home page. What is home page? The main page of any website which contains links to other pages is called as the home page. By default, it is set as the first page of every website. Web browser. A web browser is a software, application or program that allows you to access the entire information available on the web. You can visit any visiting website by entering its URL in the address bar of a web browser. Browsing makes it very easy to move from one website to another. You can normally open your web browser from a shortcut on your computer desktop. For example, some popular web browsers are Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, etc. Now what is URL? You must be wondering what URL means. The full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. To visit your friend's place, you need to know his address. Similarly, to visit any website, you need to know its address. That address is URL. Each website is identified by its unique URL, which is known as Uniform Resource Locator. The Uniform Resource Locator should be entered in the address bar of the web browser. For example, www.dpsbudgam.com. It is the URL of our school website. Now, what is ISP? ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. An ISP is a company which offers you to use internet in exchange of a normal monthly fee. It provides software, username and password to the user in order to get connected to the internet. World Wide Web. www. The World Wide Web refers to a network of sites on the internet which contains information in the form of text, pictures, animations, and videos. This information can be accessed by people all over the world. Address bar. What is address bar? The address bar appears on the top of every web browser. To visit a website, you need to put its URL into the address bar. To do this, place the cursor at the address bar and type the address. For example, www.dpsbudgam.com. After you finish typing, press the enter key. The website of DPS Budgam appears in front of you. Using a browser. Google Chrome is one of the most popular and widely used web browser developed by Google. You can open it either by double-clicking on its icon on desktop or select Start, then click on All Apps, then click on Google Chrome. Back button. Clicking on this button takes you back to the previous page you have already visited. Forward button. Clicking on forward button will take you to the page you were on before you pressed the back button. To view the next page in serial order, click on the forward button. For reloading this page, clicking on this button will load the most recent version of the current web page. Bookmark this page. This option allows the user to store and organize the chosen websites so that you can revisit them anytime whenever you need it. New tab. New tab. Clicking on this button allows you to open a web page in a new tab. You can also open a link in a new tab. Right-clicking on the link and select the Open Link in New Tab option. Now customize and control Google Chrome. Clicking on this button will display a drop-down menu with several options to customize and control the Google Chrome settings. Some of these options are Print. Clicking on this option prints a copy of the web page you are viewing. History. This option displays a list of websites you visited recently. The zoom option allows you to increase or decrease the size of the content of a web page. Click on the symbols to zoom in the page. Click on, there's a plus symbol which you can click, which helps you to zoom the web page. And clicking on the minus symbol can help you to zoom out the page. More tools. Clicking on this option provides different options like save page as, clear browsing history, task managing, etc. Here it ends. Have a nice day.